Hi, my name is Steve Barrett. In today's workshop, we're going to discuss our TR30 reducing fittings for the TRITON system. We're going to start out with a 2-inch T, our 3/4 by 2-inch reducing fitting. We have two cuts of 2-inch pipe and a cut of 3/4 inch pipe, my TRITON fusers, and my TRITON control unit. The TRITON TR30 street reducers are manufactured in a full range of sizes. There's 10 sizes from 2-inch to 3/4 and everything in between. It allows you to double and triple reduce in the field or in your workshop. So we have a 2-inch fitting, and we need to make this a 2-inch fitting by 3/4 inch fitting on the branch. So we'll start with our 2-inch fitting. The reducer doesn't need to be measured. Simply insert it into the branch of the T. Then we're going to take our 2-inch pipe and we're going to measure before we insert. Mark the pipe, insert to the line. Take the other pipe, mark, insert to the line, and then finally our 3/4 inch branch, mark the fitting depth and insert into the fitting, and now we're ready to weld. So as you can see with our 2-inch fitting, we have a 2-inch line coming into the inlet of the fitting, a 2-inch line leaving on the run of the fitting, and a 3/4 inch reducer in the branch of the fitting. But we can change this either in the workshop or in the field simply by reorienting the reducing fitting. So if you needed a 2-inch reducing T or a 2-inch to 3/4 inch reducing T, and you needed a 3/4 inch on the run, the reducing fitting would simply insert into the run and your pipe into the branch. So your welding sequence really doesn't matter. If you start out with your 2-inch fuser, simply open the fuser, make sure that it's calibrated, place the fuser around the weld zone, start your weld. So my inlet is welded. We'll come over and start my outlet. Place the fuser around the weld zone, press the button, start the weld. So we have one more 2-inch weld to do. We need to weld our reducing fitting into the T. We'll take our 2-inch fuser, place it around the weld zone, start the fuse, start the weld. All right, our last fuse is going to be the 3/4 inch pipe into the 3/4 inch reducer. We need to change our fuser out. So we'll unhook the 2-inch fuser. We'll hook the 3/4 inch fuser up, open the jaw, close the jaw, initiate the fuser. We have our green light, we're ready to go. So we'll place the fuser around the weld zone on the 3/4 inch fitting, press the button, start the fuse. So we have our 2-inch by 3/4 inch reducing T on the branch ready to go. We're welded in on the 2-inch inlet and the 2-inch outlet and the 2-inch branch. This can be done in your workshop prior to getting to the work site, or you can do this in the field as you go.